Hi, fifth grade. We're going to go over the solutions for lesson 84 of grammar. You need your lesson, something to correct with, and your book. We're on page 449. Number 1 is subvert. Number 2 is happy. Number 3 is blame. Number 4 is museum. Number 5 is kin. Number 6 is declarative. Number 7 is objective. Number 8 is your, Y-O-U-R. Number 9 is better. Number 10 is third, plural. Number 11 is whom. Number 12 is he. Number 13 is. Number 14 has, his or her. Number 15, even though. Number 16, what? Number 17, buenos dias. Number 18, the L in palm is silent. Number 19, we are going to offset the non-essential positive. The island of Alcatraz, comma, once a federal prison, comma, lies in the middle of San Francisco Bay. Number 20, neither. Number 21, he. Number 22, phrase. Number 23, we're going to rewrite our sentence, adding periods, commas, capital letters, and quotation marks. I did not love the way that I did the solutions yesterday, so we're going to go back to the old way and see if that's okay. So we're going to capitalize officer, valiant, yes, bad check, Alcatraz. We're going to put a comma after replied, after yes, after bad check. We're going to put a period after Alcatraz, and we are going to put quotation marks from yes to Alcatraz. Number 24 is wearing. Wore, W-O-R-E, has worn, W-O-R-N. Number 25, be. Number 26, we're going to rewrite our sentence, adding capital letters, periods, commas, and quotation marks. So we need to capitalize know, I, where, sheep, went. We need a comma after know. We need a period after went. We need quotation marks from where to went. Number 27, we're going to rewrite our letter, adding periods, commas, capital letters, no quotation marks this time. So we need to capitalize dear officer valiant on Friday, February, bad check, Columbus, Ohio, sincerely, Mrs. Bright, P.I. We need a comma after valiant, Friday, 3rd, 2006, Columbus. We need a period after, two more commas. We need a comma after sincerely, and we need a comma after bright. We need a period after Ohio, and a period after Mrs., a period after P, a period after I. Number 28, we need to diagram the simple subject and simple predicate of each clause in the following compound sentence. Next came the newscasters, for they wanted a good story, but bad check had vanished. So there are 3 clauses in this sentence. I did not flip my papers before I started. All right, so we had newscasters came, they wanted, bad check had vanished. These are the simple subjects and simple predicates for the 3 clauses in our sentence. Sentence 29, After some feedback, I will say the word in the English way. I object. Rapprochement is the reestablishment of friendly relations. So our diagram should look like this. Rapprochement is the subject, is the verb. It's a linking verb. It links to the predicate nominative reestablishment. Reestablishment is limited by the, and it is described with the prepositional phrase of friendly relations. Of is the preposition, relations is the object, friendly is a descriptive adjective for relations. So this is what your diagram should look like. Sentence 30 is Mrs. Bright, a dauntless investigator, shows Badcheck and other criminals her tenacity. So this is what your diagram should look like. Mrs. Bright is the subject. A dauntless investigator is the appositive that follows Mrs. Bright. Investigator is the most important part of that appositive, so that's why it's in parentheses after Mrs. Bright. A and dauntless are adjectives. A is a limiting adjective. Dauntless is a descriptive adjective. They're both modifying investigator, so they're diagrammed underneath. Shows is our verb. It is an action verb. The direct object is tenacity. Tenacity is limited by the possessive adjective her. Badcheck and other criminals is the indirect object. Badcheck and criminals are the indirect objects. Other is modifying criminals, and you can see and the conjunction there on the dotted line. So this is what your diagram for sentence 30 should look like. Okay, those are the solutions for lesson 84. I'll see you back here for lesson 85, everybody. Have a great day.